is delicious. Wow. Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very nice, typical from Italy. We're going to cook coda alla vaccinara. It's oxtail in tomato sauce with some vegetable. It's typical from Rome and it's very, very delicious. It's quite easy to cook because we need just few ingredients. Basically, we need, of course, ask your butcher, a beautiful oxtail. Oh yeah, fantastic. You see, we're gonna need a glass of white wine. I'm gonna use some beef dripping, but if you don't have that, you can use the oil. We need some parsley, carrot, celery, onion, and garlic. And I'm gonna use as well some pork fat. Easy. My pot is already on the gas. I use this for long cooking. You know, we need some casserole. You know. And okay, we start. We're going to brown it first. Our oxtail. Okay, make some space. First thing I do, put some beef dripping or oil or both if you like. The dripping is already melted. Oh yeah, fantastic. It's very, very old-fashioned. This oxtail in. You're gonna brown very well. Maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes, I don't know, per each side. We start cut our vegetable. Start from the onion. Not too thin, because this oxtail gonna cook around 3.5, if it's not ready, even 4 hours. Very low temperature of gas. At first, we put just garlic. If you want, you can put all and let it take out, or you can chop it. But I'm gonna chop it too, because when it's long cooking, basically gonna melt inside. The carrot, I just do this. Okay, I want to show you the oxtail. Oh, look at that. It's cooking inside. Guys, let me know something like this. You know, few minutes, turn everything. Anyway, we need to do all the way. Oh, we're gonna cut to the vegetable. I'll show you. The veg, I cut carrot, maybe onion, I'm gonna add another half. And I'm gonna cut half of this pork fat. Okay? When my oxtail is brown enough for me and the veg is ready, I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay guys, my oxtail is like I like. Brown, perfect. Now is the time to add the wine. Okay? Put down a little bit the flame and it's inside. Okay? Now, the time the alcohol evaporate, we're gonna add, oh, look at the smell. The alcohol is gonna evaporate, we're gonna add the veg. Okay? Flame again high. I cut a little bit of that lard. I'm gonna show you. You see? It's just cube, just to give some flavor. And now, guys, Later we're gonna cut the celery. Yeah, a little bit more. Another couple minutes and we add the veg. My wine is evaporate. Look at that, guys. Oh, it's spectacular. Look at that. Gonna be absolutely delicious. As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, or check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, guys, all the veg plus that pork fat go inside. Just celery, we're waiting a little bit. Everything inside. Almost the job is done. The most part, the difficult part is already over almost. Okay? Now, mix a little bit. Now, they cook a little bit. I cut my celery. This is not obligatory. If you don't like, you don't have to. But guys, wheat is very nice. Even you have to chop, not too small, okay? Because it's nice. If you like the celery, you're gonna find it's nice to find the taste. Is I love it. Someone as well used to peel it. If you want, you can do that. You see like that. Up to you. You know, it's your oxtail. You know, you can you in charge and you can do what you like. See? Perfect. Here, everything going very good. Now I add the celery. And nice. Stir a little bit. And now we leave at least 10 minutes just to cook a little bit the vegetable. And the next we're gonna add the passata. I put some passata and plum tomato, but you don't have to. You can put chopped tomatoes, plum tomato, only passata, only plum tomato, up to you. You know, is here. For the next step, I put the tomato, passata, and plum tomato. This plum I press a little bit. And guys, now everything in. Add some water. Is enough. Now guys, is the time. If you notice, we didn't put any salt or pepper. Some salt I start put later. We adjust on the way. Some black pepper, if you like, as well. It's not obligatory. Okay. The most important thing we have to do, mix well, is put lid on, the flame in minimum, very minimum. Sometime you're going to check it, stir it, but this at least gonna cook 3.5 hours, okay? And we're gonna have our oxtail cooked perfectly, super tender, and gonna be absolutely amazing. Okay. It's 2.5 hours. Yeah. Oh, fantastic. Okay guys, my Oxtail coda alla vaccinara is ready. I don't know if it is absolutely wow. The smell is amazing. This is already more than half an hour. I turn it off and I cook it around 3 hours and 50 minutes, almost 4 hours. But guys, oh, is the smell is absolutely stunning. Now, well, you can eat like that, you can put some guys, and here, if you like, you can add some dark chocolate, like this. Oh, look at that, it's absolutely wow. Now, we're going to try. Okay, fell apart. Oh, I'm very proud of this. Amazing. Okay. Oh, it's delicious. Wow. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. Guys, my coda alla vaccinara, my oxtail in tomato sauce is this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.